Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Onn and I'm the creator and founder of ptet.chemistry YouTube channel. So by watching this, I assume you probably know a little bit about the channel already, but let me just share a couple of features of this channel which I haven't updated for some time in my introduction video. So there are created topical playlists all around the channel, so browse through them and look for the category that fits you. So the 14 to 16 years old chemistry learners will be looking at the IGCSE or the O-level playlist, which could be a full paper tutorials, but for me personally what is more useful would have been the topical playlist, because it actually is the level that I'm teaching at the moment, and the topical playlist would have helped beginning learners to appreciate topic by topic while covering through their syllabus. It's the same thing with the A-level students or the IB students, the 16 to 18 years old curriculum, which will have been available in a separate created topical playlist. So go through them before you go through a full paper tutorials. Okay, so thank you for supporting the channel, and please share the channel widely with all your friends, your chat group, your study group, your juniors and your seniors, your relative or whoever else that who actually are doing the 14 to 18 years old curriculum, be it O-level, IGCSE, GCSE, A-levels or IB or whatever other curriculum that you're doing. Wherever you are in the world, I'm sure my chemistry tutorials will have helped you at some stage, hopefully. Okay, so yeah, let me know what else you would like to see on the channel in the future.